So this is the demo of a working model of a washing machine front door. This is the front door. Inside there is a washing drum. You can see there is a washing drum with a switch for switching on. Take the cloth, put inside the washing machine. Just see, close the door and switch on the washing machine. You can see the drum is running physically. This is the door. You can close the door. Later on, you can switch off the machine. The cloths are dried. You can just take out the cloth and dry it outside. Like this, we can wash the clothes. This is the homemade working model of a washing machine. Please subscribe and see what is other models which is available. Thank you.